Good morning. My name is Takashi, and then today I'd like to share Toyota's management systems. And then before start, product complexity, and then 787. This is the line of code of software. So during development, software, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This code, and then 787, Boeing 787, 6.5 million line of code. What do you think about Lexus LS, which has like 100 millions? So car is so complexity. And Prius, much more complex. Currently like 150 or 200 level. Very complex. Even such a complex product, why Toyota can deliver on time without any problems? And I work for both industries. I'm very clear what's happened. And then I like to share with you more practical ways what we are doing right now. Okay, good. And then to explain Toyota's working model, maybe this is easy to understand. Development system, and then usually planning concept is the first start. Planning concept, and then design, and then real engineering comes. Production phase is the same. Production concept, design, and then production system. See, Toyota production system is a very small piece for me. We have to think about entire life cycles. And then production concept phase. If we design perfect assembly line, no need to improve later, right? Yeah, perfect design means no need to improve. So early phase, very important, therefore concept. Also, marketing, sales system. That's also Toyota has a very unique systems. Especially the end, after sales, like a maintenance service. How do we apply for new products? That's why we have very interesting systems. I'd like to explain. And center is management system. Dr. Omok explained lean management systems. And I said the Toyota management system. That's the same thing. But he explained what this very perfectly. But I'd like to explain how do we implement for you. But interesting is that this model is looks for car industry, but even like a hospital, we can apply exactly the same things. Patient came, development. We analyzing what's a patient, the operation here, and then aftercare service. See, same things. So I apply this technique not only car, other industry, but also like a fashion, chemical, biotechnology, even governmental area. So many area applied. So same. And then behind of each system, we have a whole these tools. Currently, total 92 tools we documented. And then today, from here, I like to share first improvement effort, and second, Obeya. This is Japanese. Obeya means a big project room. We use big rooms, attach many informations, and then use. That's what we call Obeya, big project room. And then also quality into process. Prius has an issue 2 years ago. Therefore, we are enforcing this activity. Probably I'm first time to introduce in the market these techniques. Okay, let's start. Process improvement effort. And then to understand the roots of Toyota, we have to back this level, West Gyozan. And then West Gyozan, maybe Dr. Omak explained, Toyota Sakichi-san, Ono Taichi-san, still they are not roots. To understand their roots here, West Gyozan. And then he's a very famous governor. Even JF Kennedy came to Japan. And then he said he's the most respectful governor. And then his famous word is, show them, tell them, have them do it, and then praise. What does this mean? Leader have to show first and ask member what I'm doing right now. And then please try. And then praise. Good job. Think about our leader. Your leader driving himself first? No, they're asking you. You try first. I'm watching, supporting you. Wrong. See? Leader must start himself. That's the roots of Toyota. Okay. And then my out definition is this one. Person, ability, and motivations. Person, very expensive, right? We have to increase output, of course. And then add more people. That's wrong. Also, ability takes time. Have to wait. Not good. Motivation is the easiest one and the short time and get impact very quickly. How do you improving motivation of your members? There we go. And then through improvement activity is the best. So by the way, improvement means not only process but product both. Therefore, watch your member very carefully. If they try something new, and then did a good job means, oh, you did a good job means praise. That's our highest motivations. That's I feel. So think about carefully. How do you motivate? However, improvement in Western companies. See, if we categorize our job, improvement job, daily job, troubleshooting. I know we love troubleshooting because we feel the energy, we accomplished. Not good. Also, I heard many times, I'm too busy, I have no time to improve. No, wrong. We have to improve daily activity troubleshooting. They have to reduce, right? Especially like a manager, leader, more higher than manager, like your level, is more than 50% just a process improvement. Where does this reduced troubleshooting go? Of course, through improvement. One more is your member solved instead of you. See? It's a growing concept. Previously, I have to solve myself, troubleshooting, but now your member is growing, and they can solve instead of you. See? That's another important logic. However, I'm struggling now. It's a rate of improvement. Rate of improvement means increase productivity, improve quality, or cost, any kind of things okay. Inside of Japan, growth is like consistent. And then when I first came to the United States, and then Europe, first Europe, and then increasing, improving, but one day stop. And then when I watch on the wall many big value stream mapping, current and future. So what's happened? I thought, why? Then one thing, this is the Western people, think, small do. And then when I watch American movie, Hollywood movie, this is obvious. Yeah, we made it. So what? What's your next steps? For me, very strange. Also, strategy, new word came. President thinks strategy, vice president thinks strategy, manager thinks strategy, member thinks strategy. When you are doing real job, and then instead, Toyota, our culture is think, do immediately, and then feedback very quickly. And also, we have a long-term planning, 3-year, 5-year, 10-year. Usually we prepare those three. 3-year long-term planning, 5-year long-term planning, 10-year long-term planning. And also continuously do PD cycle. Therefore, I think consistent growth. That's my discovery. Lean management system. Yeah, actually, this is a management, right? And then, actually, this is a Toyota, our culture. Nissan, government, different. Honda, too much technical oriented. So I think this is just our culture, Toyota's culture. And next up, so how do I try to explain our culture, like a rule, principle, management to Western peoples? This kind of big cultural barrier. So what my discovery is, do not start from management, start from tools, real work. Show them first, see? Show them first impact. How do we install in our work? And tool and management. Tool means like a method side approach. Management means a human side approach. So early phase, we have to focus tools and then kick off and then visualize the Obeya current status. That's very powerful. And then again, Obeya is one small tool for me, but Western companies, it's a first start Obeya project room, big room is very helpful. Okay, visualize. Next steps, higher perspective. Interesting is establish Obeya, watch inside Obeya, we can see where the bottleneck is, and pick up one tool and then implement like this way. The next one, higher new working culture. Slowly start from culture. The next one, self-sustaining. And then, this phase, behavior is changing. So my suggestion, how about our lean culture? How do we improve our culture? Please do not start. Focus business, profit, sales, and then culture come later by tools. Which kind of tool do we use? Behavior change. So this is one of my clients, vice president. And then to visualize behavior change, we use AHA. So inside of this big project room, every time member have to explain what my learn is. American call AHA. What my AHA is. And then this is the vice president. So we visualized, and then she said 3 quantified target. Previously, I have 120 measurement ask to member, 120 measurement. 120 come, blah, 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 blah. And read member level, blah, 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 blah. 1,000 measurement came. So how can I manage? And then she said, I need 3 quantified target with due date. Usually Toyota we call quality, cost, delivery. This is not production talking. This is apply for planning, concept phase, government, any kind of phase is okay. Quality, cost, delivery. What's your target? Very interesting story. Lexus LS400, most expensive Lexus. And then chief engineer used only one number, which is close the door, cheap car. Bang, Lexus LS400. Boom. 43 decibel. He used this number and then drive big organizations. What's this mean? To accomplish 43 decibel, engine, what they have to do? And also door, body. So everybody knows to accomplish this number, what I have to do. Only one number, he drive big organizations. And then this vice president, she said, now I understand. This is a completely new management style. Just accurate target, drive big organizations. That's not easy, right? Because we need historical data to set up accurate target, quantified. Also, organizational struggling. For vice president, president level, say target, very dangerous from shareholder, right? Therefore, such many different things behind. And also, collaborations. Her aha is, target must set up collaboratively with all members. So now she tried to change her behavior. More accurate target, asking member, what's your target? What's your target continuously? And next one, we introduce higher perspective phase, new tools, quality into process. And then her aha is, we are firefighting. We're very reactive. Why we cannot change? Proactive. And then every time she focuses long-term planning, and what's the next year? What's the next 3 year, 4 year, 5 year? And try to change behavior. See, very visible. And then we introduce accountability map. That's a new tool. And then her comment is, Takashi, after I work with you, every month my role is changing. Very tired. That's her aha. And then we are very unclear accountability. See, slowly already management aspect came in. Do not focus early phase. We have no clear accountability. No, do not start. Very practical ways. And last one is, we call Lean for Leader Studio. That's a kind of a training area to develop Lean for leaders. Her comment, my member is not enough skill to break down my target. And also, integral approach. Toyota, Takashi, you very integral approach. I can share it. And next one, Obeya came, Obeya. Obeya is like real rooms. And then start from here, objective, output, and then next, measurement, matrix. But the progress must be only green or red, not signal. Yellow make many ambiguities. If you use 3 color to see indication, stop it, yellow. Only 2 color. Even red, we have a clear countermeasure next month. Means change red to green, right? Yeah. So only 2 color. That's inside Obeya, we can become very action focused, action oriented. And next one, concurrent schedules. Toyota, we do not use any kind of planning software like MS schedule type. Planning for us only one, never change. That's our rule. If change like this, see, delay came. Means time to reflection. Stop, put unknown, stop completely. Why delayed? To terminate this one, what we have to do, very strong reflection we do. That's a reflection. And next one, the issue board, we call issue board. That's a new tool. Toyota's Obeya doesn't exist this issue board. What does this mean, issue board? So from this flow is very important. Start from objective target, measurement matrix, action, and then to accomplish this, I still have issue problems. And the issue must write down this tiny post-it. And also, inside of post-it, issue must be clear, concise, constructive, containing some kind of suggestions. Vice President, you are stupid. This schedule, impossible. That's impossible. Such case, Vice President, you are not kind, please rewrite. And if during the meeting, someone start, blah, 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 talk. Don't talk, write down, finish. That's our rule. Change behavior, see? Behavior came. And then inside of Obeya doesn't allow any blah, 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 blah. What we are doing? Preparing before coming to the meeting, right? But our meeting style, check our outlook, came, stay, think. Whew, what have we have to discuss? What's my problem? No, wrong. So before coming to this room, everyone must prepare only less than two issues. That's our rule, process. If people do not follow, means, okay, we have to rewrite or throw away the post-it. One more, interesting. This room must be very collaborative, planning, design, whole organizations. And of course here, projector for global development. And also last one is, after finish these meetings, this is one project over here. And then after finish one meetings, still this team cannot solve. Means have to write down two issues and rise one more higher level. Means like executive board. That's another rule. You can see, this is Obeya. How do we work these mechanisms? Obeya must be only 3 layers, like vice president level, project level, member. So Dr. Womack said horizontal, vertical. Horizontal, kind of value stream team. The vertical means management systems. How do this work? So start from objective and target, matrix. And then team, cannot solve matrix. Means the two issue, rise and get directions. Very quick. Usually, Obeya is like a weekly meeting, the 1 hour. 1 hour, 2 hours, very short. And then very cadence, rhythm, pam, pam, finish, pam, pam, finish, pam, pam, finish. If someone starts blah, 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 post-it, finish. Whew. So after you experience this room meeting speed, if you join your team meeting, start blah, 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 painful. Every time my member came back to their meeting, said, Takashi, our meeting is so painful. No, their meeting is so painful. We are much better. So that's our mechanism. And then next one, quality into process. These are new tools. So you can see process 1, perfect job. 2, perfect job. 3, perfect job. Means that we don't necessarily final inspection. They can deliver. See, hospital same. Every phase is the same. Perfect job means we don't need final inspections. That's what we call occurrence preventions. But still not enough. One more. Outflow preventions. What does this mean? Process 1 did the perfect job. Still gate check. And then process 2, perfect job. Gate check. See? That's way. So please remember. Occurrence prevention, outflow preventions. And then, of course, our objective is start from planning to delivery, right on time, right first time. Should be. And to accomplish, we have to start this Obeya from planning phase, early phase. And the Obeya is very interesting. Every phase by phase, layout, contents, member, it will change. And then the first one is standardized work. I know Western people hate this word. Standardized work. My job is very unique, special, standardized, impossible. I heard many times. Also, one more important is standardized need design process both. Design, what does this mean? Design means input or output. To start my job, which kind of maybe format input we need? That's a design. Design standard and process standard. We need this. Next one, quality administration. How customers' problem bring to Obeya. That's a quality administration. Next one, improved design review. Improved design review means that you can think like your meeting, progress check meeting, any kind of meeting is okay, design review. And then again, please stop, blah, blah, blah. Have to improve. How? I can show next. The next one, training. New word came. Multi-skilled engineer. What does this mean? I have a mechanical engineering degree, but I have to study in Toyota, not only mechanical, chemical, software, electrical. To collaborative activity, you have to develop this kind of person, multi-skilled engineer. So any kind of your job, you understand, silo, very bad. Have to develop some kind of multi-skilled persons. That's very helpful. But the existing like a university, very difficult to cover. So Toyota has internally, we have a school. And then outflow prevention for each gate. Check sheet came. Check list, check sheet is different. checklist is this. Boom, 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 boom. Check sheet is only one sheet of paper. So we have to differentiate. Checklist, check sheet is different. The last one, feedback systems. How do we reuse lesson and learn for new project? That's what we call feedback systems. That's our old tool to accomplish quality, right on time, right first time. What we are doing, this is a number of issues. Phase by phase, we are counting this number of issues. How many issues we open? How many issues closed? Think about your job. Am I doing the right job or not? How do you measure your job? Am I doing the right job or not? Open issue, close issue, very helpful. What's this mean? This phase, I have only 10 issues. Oh, I'm very scared. I have 100,000 issues. Whew, safe. That's my feeling. However, see, this phase looks at delivered products, but how do we deliver? Promised date. Usually overtime or rework. That's I call diarrhea running. Sorry in the morning. But you have to stop, fix diarrhea, right? Otherwise you cannot run quickly. So, not too good, to improve. That's our way of work. Early phase, open more issues, and then keep on time. That's the best way of work. And Toyota, we have like a gate-by-gate definition, kind of database. So every gate by gate, how many should we have to open? How many should we have to close? That depends on product complexity. We have such kind of database. So early phase, oh, I have no issue. Are you stupid? No, so that's not bad. So have to set up how many issues do I have now? That's a quite powerful measurement to evaluate our quality of job. And next one, progress meeting, progress check meeting, design review. This is one of my clients. And then before joining design review, actually design review one day, long, I sleep twice, long one day, talk, no solution, no discussion, just a talk. Oh, painful. But instead, Toyota, our way of work is very simple. Project leader, that's a very important concept. Only 3 people make best alternative and contact every different organization. They make solutions. And then design review means like 1 hour, very short. Instead of 1 day, 1 hour, very short. And this design review progress meeting is kind of final check. Okay, you okay? You okay? You okay? Finish. Oh, still issues. Oh, pick up issues. Very short rhythm. Small PDA cycle between. So I think your meeting should improve. If you have a more than 1 hour meeting, stop it. And next one. We use IT tool very effectively for global development. Inside Obeya, we use this tool, VCOM. VCOM is our current CAD system is strong about design side, CAD, CAD. Design is very strong. CAM, manufacturing, very weak. Therefore, we develop these tools. Do not trust IT tools. Toyota, we used to pick up some good module, integrate ourselves, and then develop these systems. Ask. No, it's not good. But anyway, that's like this. We develop. And this is the Japan side of engineering, and then US side manufacturing, and they are communicating. And this is inside of Obeya, means after this design review, activity going to Obeya long term immediately. If issue coming, someone start to post-it, where is my post-it? Here. Have to throw away again. Very, again, condensed rhythm. The next one, drawing design review. Existing like a CATIA V5, those system is good. However, hide inside, detail level, very difficult to understand. So what we are doing is every some phase, we call drawing design review. Print it out, like on the wall. You can see this young gentleman is preparing. This section is very dangerous, I feel. So he opened, and this leader is explaining him. You have to check in here. And next one, DRBFM, new word. Design review based on FMEA, very new word. FMEA is like a failure mode effect analysis for like engineering company. And then usually FMEA, we are doing many FMEA. See this thick document. Someone laughed at me, the many FMEA you are doing, right? So FMEA, many thick document, that's wrong. See, you can see any document, just product, post-it, that's it. And then another one, standardized process, standardized working process. Value stream mapping is good in a factory environment, product flow, information flow. But our knowledge work, value stream mapping not work well. Therefore, we use instead this TLSC, Total Link System Chart. What's this one? You can see, attach on the wall drawing. So input and output, what is my work? Means during my work, print out my screenshot, attach on the wall. And then what I'm doing, what is my output, real document attach. Input, output, input, output, input, output. And then all expecting flow. And next one come, process flow and accountability map. Oh, accountability map came. What's this mean? From here, we can clarify, like, see, every process by process, and accountability. Who is the main? Who is the supporting? M means the main, S means support. But some company try, many S come. That's very unclear accountability. Only one M, only one S. And also, if we added in here, time means now we can measure, quantify how many percent we can remove, right? And then, next step, check sheet comes. I know many of you tried checklist or check sheet. Very difficult up to date, right? To make high quality check sheet, we have to follow whole this process. Otherwise, your quality, your checklist or check sheet is just a math, not connecting to improve qualities. Okay. Next one, integral approach. So to develop Lean for Leader, we need whole these integral tools. First, project or functional target, quantify target. My project or my function, which kind of target we need, that's here. And then to accomplish this planning, all planning phase, the progress audit sheet. That's a new tools. And then we have to document it. So my company has like a standardized template document. So we rewrite every time to client more fitting. And then entire tools, like a 92 tool I shows. And then skill map came. Difference between progress audit sheet, skill map is just my skill. How about my skill? What is my grade? This is a 5 grade. And then last one is visual board. And then Lean for Leader Studio can cover this area. And then visual board is a kind of A3 for staff area, knowledge work area. That's what we call visual board. This is a big size of board. First of all, my surprise is our executives very poor skill to set up target. Therefore, we introduce these tools, like a visual board. So A3, and then like Dave, John, yesterday, their workshop was quite good. Please learn from them on the A3. Okay, see, whole integral tools. To develop Lean for Leader, we need all tools. If I'm missing one, not effective. Okay, next one. Let's share progress audit sheet more. So we can remember any system, management system, development system, all system under TDS pre-planning and Obeya existing. Under Obeya, 3 layer. This is a project Obeya you saw before. Cannot see, so I kindly improve. Measurement, matrix here. Matrix, 1 is easy. Prioritize only 3 measurement. Oh, looks easy. No, not easy. 1 is easy. Next one, same format. Oh, every organization have to be the same format? Difficult. Okay. And then number 3, update before meeting. Oh, that's also very painful. Number 4, forecasting line with scenario. Currently, we are not accomplished yet, but next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, we have a forecasting line. See, we can achieve. President, shareholder, don't worry. See, difficult. 5, abnormal data. Means like same as factory. Upper limit, lower limit, abnormal data came. Why? Have to explain. And Toyota usually like this level. And then, one of my friends, he worked for very famous IT companies. And then we had just drink the beer, and then I showed this one. He said, let's try. And then that company was here. I'm very surprised, IT companies. So if you're interested in, let's audit together. And then that's all my presentation. This is a summary. Start from leaders. Start from like a CEO, vice president, the best. Of course, I can build possible. But if difficult means pick up most critical project and then show result. Still start from leader. And then expand the member level and then going to CEO. That's another way. Next one. Start from tools. Do not start from culture. working habit, behavior. Oh, pick up real project, business, and then work start. Last one, standardized and disciplined process for innovative product. Very interesting. Just idea cannot deliver innovative products. We need standardized discipline. I know all your job is very complicated. Therefore, I strongly suggest to try standardized process and then disciplined. That's all my explanation. Thank you so much.